This video is fourth in the series under AHP. The first one is the basics of AHP, and that we call it crisp AHP, means you are having a single pairwise comparison matrix and you have calculated the eigenvectors and normalized it to get the weights of your criteria, and you have checked the consistency like this one. And then in the second, this one, we have improvised the weight of the crisp AHP like this. We have iterated the calculations to get the final weight of the crisp AHP. In the third video, we went for fudgification of the AHP matrix, where we have used the triangular fuzzy membership. If you see, we are having these four type of fuzzy membership functions. So we have tried this one, the red one, triangular. So your expert is giving a weight between two criteria as 5. So we are giving 4, 5 and 6. But in this video we will go for this trapezoidal. So if you are giving a 5, so it will be start with 4, 5, 5 and 6. I request before if you are watching this video, you first go through all these 3 videos. Then it will be more understandable to you. So what we have done in triangular fuzzy membership, for each cell, for each comparison, we have created 3 cells. So it was 5, so it is 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, this is 7, so 6, 7, 8. Now in this trapezoidal, we will be having 4 cells for each comparison. So we will be repeating it as 4, 5, 5 and 6 by this way. So this is the crisp weight that you will find in the first video how we have got this. Then see, now here for each cell, each comparison, we will be having 4 different cells for trapezoidal fuzzy membership function. Now this is 5. So now we will be having 4, 5, 5 and 6. Similarly, this is 3. So now 2, 3, 3, 4. Again, once we have filled the upper diagonal, the lower diagonal will be reversed now. So this will not be 1 by 4, it will be 1 by 6, then 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and this 1 by 4. Similarly, we have to fill the entire matrix. This one is lower bound, this is upper bound, and then this is mid 1 and mid 2. So lower bound, again we have to take multiplications of all these first cells. For the mid 1, multiplication of all the second cells. Similarly for mid 2, multiplication of third cells, and for this multiplication of all the fourth cells for each criteria. So you will be getting, for all the criteria, you will getting the four boundaries. And then here, this is the formula you have to fit here. Since we are having 6 number of criteria, so we have to take a 6th root of this cell. Okay, so if you are having 5, it will be 5th root, means you have to write 1 by 5. So basically it is nth root. So for each cell, you have to calculate like this. Like this is for upper boundary. And then you have to sum all of them, and then now we will go for normalization. So it will be, we will be dividing this by this. Similarly, for this for texture, it will be lower boundary of texture and then divided by the sum. So for all the boundaries, you have to create like this, and then you have to take average of all these. So this will be our new fudgified weight using trapezoidal membership function. So now here we can compare our results. So this was based on crisp weight, the first one. Then this is for with triangular fuzzy membership function, and this is trapezoidal fuzzy membership function. So in the next video we will see other functions also, like sigmoidal or Gaussian functions. Thank you for watching.